If you're feeling like you want to draw and you're not sure what you want to do because you're stuck, try a technique called Zentangle. Their repetitive lines help you relax and unwind your mind. Draw a square on the page and then make a grid at an angle. Now, these lines don't have to be perfect. Just doing this as an exercise to relax your mind. Along each line of the grid, draw a wavy line going back and forth, making sure your wavy line intersects where the other two lines intersect throughout the whole grid. Now draw some diamonds on the insides. Basically, they're going to mimic the space that is around, so they won't be perfect diamonds. Remember, it's a relaxing technique. Now make a few columns. In one of the columns, make a rounded square, drawing continuously offset to each other all the way to it spirals down through the middle. It'll make a little rose. You can even make your lines a little wavy. On the outside of each rose, you can make a little layer of wavy petals. And if you like, add a couple leaves. Remember, it's a relaxing exercise. In this next column, try a herringbone where the lines go back and forth just a tad bit longer than each one so you can cross over the edge. And if it relaxes you, you can make the herringbone on another column. It's just for relaxation. It doesn't have to be perfect. And as a matter of fact, if you want it perfect, you can practice it over and over again until it is perfect. But sometimes it's great to just draw until it unwinds you. In another column, make a weave. Make sure the number of lines that you draw are going to be equal to the next perpendicular lines that you draw. So you're kind of making a square. Now this little weave is awesome when you make it smaller too. Try shading to add dimension. In this next column, divide up your column by little squares. Start with a little pearl, little circle, and then basically have little like tubular petals folding over each other. Continue this motion back and forth, and then you can shade behind it. It's kind of cool. So basically, Zentangle and drawing, when it's a repetitive motion, is going to help you relax. So I hope you've had fun, and I hope you get a chance to unwind and relax.